So friends, now our fool has been victorious over his enemies. So obviously he's feeling victorious, he's feeling lucky, luck favored, and as a result of that he's feeling arrogant and powerful, even vengeful. He has hot passions within which he is unwilling to control and unable to control. In this state, he comes across a maiden whom he sees as very dainty, but she is taming a lion. She is trying to shut its mouth, and the lion shuts his mouth easily. When he inquires about this with the maiden explains that there will be inner passions, but they need to be kept in rein. So the strength card, my friends, is about achieving control and inner strength. It is about being compassionate and patient. The strength card, as in the case of the 8s of the minor arcana, this is the major minor arcana connect. The strength and the 8s both talk about limitations and then transcending these limitations. They say that when there are rules and limitations, they help us create something higher.